Come test drive the 2015 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, moonroof, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.